Yo, what's going on guys? My name's Miguel, aka Big Mix Biggie Travels, and today I'm going to be showing you how to be a YouTuber. Yo guys, so I heard that 60% of kids nowadays want to become YouTubers. I went from 0 all the way to 20k subs in just 1 year. This is my second channel. I'm going to be teaching you guys all my tips and tricks on how to be a good YouTuber. I am going to teach you all of my secrets. None of this hiding information or, generic rubbish. I'm going to give you everything that I know. So some of you people will be wanting to become YouTubers for a long time. Some of you will be like your New Year's resolution. But I advise everybody to just start a YouTube channel. Whoever you are, whatever you do, start a YouTube channel. Because the best thing about it is anyone can become a YouTuber. Let me repeat that again. Anybody. Getting jiggy with it. So with YouTube, you can wear anything you like. So before you commit to YouTube, you need to understand yourself. So think about, what are you really good at with the least amount of effort? It could be anything. It could be drawing,
cooking,
it could be, painting, it could be singing, dancing.
Yeah.
It could be even just talking about stuff. If you're good with people, you could go and interview members of the public.
Subscribe. Let me hear subscribe.
Like, down below.
You could do mukbangs if you love to eat.
Welcome to my food mukbang. Pesticides.
So first of all, what you need to find out is your niche, your genre, or your content. What you want to create for YouTube. Why is this so important? Well, when people come to your channel, they're going to be expecting a certain type of content. Coming to your channel is like a little bit of an investment. It's an investment of their time, which is a piece of their life that they're giving to you. So when they come to your channel, they need to know what to expect. Woo! Opportunities that come from doing whatever you want is immense. So the first thing you should do is just look on Google, look on YouTube. When you find your niche, just type it in. So if you're looking at, say, Filipino foods, type in Filipino food and see all the top videos. See what's popular, see what's trending. And then all you have to do is look at the content, absorb, and kind of find your way on what content you want to cover within your niche. So usually nothing is original in YouTube anymore. What you can do is you can literally go and replicate someone's video. But what you can do is, instead of just replicating it word for word, just put your own creative twist on it. So literally there's hundreds of thousands of Jollibee videos out there. And I went and created a Jollibee video to my suiting with my personality, what I wanted to do. And it just blew up. This was my very first video that hit big, so I looked at what was going on in Filipino food category, and the first thing I saw was Jollibee was opening in London in Earls Court. So this was my very first video. It didn't bang too much, but I went back because I couldn't get any chicken, and I made another video about the Jollibee menu, what Jollibee is for Filipinos, and it just went through the roof.
That's how Jollibee dance.
So guys, you don't need to be unique, you don't need to be special. Anybody can do it. Literally anybody. And people think that, oh god, I got a really great idea. Oh no, somebody's gonna steal my idea. Well, guess what, man? It doesn't matter, because if you have a really great idea and other people also cover that content, that means other people are looking for it. So if people are looking for it and people are covering it, you'll get put in the suggestions. So if someone gets 1 million views and you're doing well on your video as well, they can literally push viewers on the next recommended video to your video. So for YouTube, the next thing you have to do is you need equipment. You can literally use anything. You can use a mobile phone, a vlogger's camera, a banana. But I don't even have a tripod stand. Look at me. Makeshift, shoebox, book, camera. These are my two cameras, as you can see. This is like MIG's Inception right now. So you got the Canon 80D over here, and the one I'm using, this little handheld one. This is the G7X. You're gonna also wanna get some equipment that's specific for your content. So travel vloggers often have a drone as well. If they wanna do underwater shots, they also have like a GoPro they can use. So if you wanna get any of this equipment, just click on the Amazon link below, and it won't cost you any extra charge, but it will just show you my list of equipment. So the next thing you're gonna do is, you've got your equipment now, you need to get your editing software as well. So I use Final Cut Pro. For me, it's so easy. It's literally, you can just drag and drop it. So this for me was like the best and the easiest editing software for me to use. The next thing you have to get is you have to think of a catchy name. So it should be a name that is kind of related to your content, that is, something good. So for me, The first name I wanted to take was Miggy Travels, because my name's Miguel and I wanted to show them Miguel's adventures, you know. But because that handle was taken, I took Biggie Travels and I took it everywhere. Check around on the social media to see if anyone's taken the handles, and then literally think it up and then take the handles immediately. Then the last thing you have to do is film your video. Once your video's done, you've edited it, you're ready to upload, you've added maybe some soundtracks. If you want to add some soundtracks to your music, I strongly suggest Epidemic Sound, because sometimes if you add soundtracks and you get copyright hit, they take your video down or they take your money. So it's better to just pay £10 a month. It's better to get Epidemic Sound because they've got thousands of tracks and some proper good ones as well. So look in the description box below if you want more videos on how to become a YouTuber. There's so much things you can do to make your YouTube videos better, get more views, you know, how to use your equipment, how to monetize, how much money you can make as a YouTuber. And make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. So this is Big Migs from Biggie Travels on YouTube Hacks 101. Thank you.